Honestly, I almost didn't post this fishing idea because I knew people would immediately think it looked completely wrong eyes. And maybe that's exactly why you should keep watching. Because the moment I finished building this setup, even I kept staring at it thinking, what exactly did I just create? At first glance, it doesn't look like a normal fishing setup at all. The shape is strange. The balance looks unusual. And the hook placement makes almost no sense compared to traditional rigs. Which is exactly what made the idea interesting to me. Because sometimes the setups that look the weirdest above water create the most unexpected movement underwater. And honestly, that thought stayed in my head the entire time while making it. Every small detail started changing the personality of the setup. The angle, the spacing, the way the hooks sit, even the shape itself started looking more aggressive the more I worked on it. And the crazy part? The final result still looks like something most anglers would never trust. That's what makes fishing ideas like this so interesting. Because the moment people see something unfamiliar, they instantly assume it can't work. But fish don't think like humans. Fish react to movement, pressure, vibration, confusion, and sometimes unusual movement creates the strongest reaction. That's why I enjoy building weird homemade setups so much. Not because they look normal, but because they don't. Most anglers repeat the same designs forever. Same hook positions, same shapes, same balance, and very few people ever stop to ask, what happens if everything changes? That question alone can create completely different ideas. And honestly, this setup feels like one of those ideas. Because even now, looking at it closely, it still feels strange. Like it shouldn't exist. And maybe that's exactly why it caught my attention in the first place. Before I continue, if you enjoy weird homemade fishing ideas like this fishing pole fire, hit like, thumbs up, follow for more fishing content, and leave a comment telling me honestly, does this setup look smart or completely insane?